Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into an image. Maybe you want to add it to a slide or share the PDF as an image with someone who can't open PDF files. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to do this using the Systweak PDF Editor. So let's get started. Once open, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert the PDF to image, click on Convert to. Select PDF to image. Now click on the output format and choose from the various image formats like JPG, PNG, TIFF, BMP or GIF and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to Image button. This will convert your PDF file to an image and save it in the output folder. Let's check the files. Here's the original PDF and here's the image we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to image format all at once. To do this, go to Batch Process, select Batch Convert, drop the PDF files here. Now choose the image format and select the destination folder. Click on the Convert to Image button and the tool will convert all the PDF files into image and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the images we created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into an image using Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, just drop a comment, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.